G'day everybody, it's me again. It's Sunday. Just tidied up a bit, put the truck away, mucking around. Yeah, the all-terrain fork. What's Alex up to today? Always helps if you've got the key. Hey, Alex found the jib. Uh-oh. Better not be talking gibberish. I've been meaning to do this for a while, so surprise for you all. It's a complete, minus the flywheel, Isuzu 6 BD1 engine. I think they're about a 5.7 litre. It's a 350 cubic inch more or less, 6 cylinder. This one's sick and I'm going to show you why. I'm going to show you how they fucked up too. Anyway, we're going to get this running, hopefully. More to come. Okay, 6 BD1, firing order 153624. Valve lash when it's cold, a 0.016 inch, inlet and exhaust. Injection timing 14 degrees below top dead center, and injection opening pressure 2633 pounds a square inch. Data 24 volt, 20 amps. Ah, it's a baby. Now I just got to remember where I put the damn flywheel. Okay, so I found the flywheel. It was buried in the shed over there, old truck body. Time to fit it. Oh wait, yeah, the bolts. I could only find 4 of the bolts, and they were in my old scrap bolt bin. I love my old scrap bolt bin. Go away straight later on. Okay, while the compressor finishes pumping up, I've quickly blown out all the holes to get all the crap out. Get some lube, some of the good stuff. Oh, that's tight. But Big Bertha never failed me. Might fit this stuff. Okay, so I found a negative cable. Should do as good as any. Okay everybody, got the clamp meter out, setting to 1000 volt DC range, 1000 amp DC range. See what the maximum current draw is trying to start the engine. Hopefully it will turn over, eh? Pulling 345 amps and I don't think the batteries are quite cutting it. I'll get the charger out. Now even with all the problems and no fuel, the tough old bitch is trying to start. Ooh, Didn't expect it to actually run. Okay, there's my makeshift fuel tank. Bucket with diesel in it. Now, as with any diesel, when they run out of fuel, you need to get the air out of the pump, otherwise it just won't go. Sometimes you can keep cranking them forever and it will eventually get the air out and start, but not the best option. Crank. Yeah, I'm going to smell like diesel for days. Well, I'd say that's successful, wouldn't you? Oof. There we go, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I've undone the lock nut for the fuel, and we're going to try and get it fairly idle. See how slow I can get it to turn over but not stop. Time to get that rocker cover off. Okay, 6-cylinder diesel, Isuzu, run with no rocker cover. Watch the valves move.